you hear that, you guys? That is called serious congestion, to the point where I have not been able to taste food for 4 days. Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because today I have February's Look for Less invitation. So if you're new here and have not heard of the Look for Less, it's basically a challenge I started last summer. And each month I have a different co-host. And what we do is challenge you to take a home decor item that you have seen in a higher end store, whether it's in the actual store or online, and we want you to recreate it for a whole lot less. And this month, my co-host is Ashleigh Lauren. She is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I think you will love her just as much as me. Not only do our styles go very well together, she actually lives here right in Georgia where I do. So she's practically my neighbor. So when you're done with this video, please make sure to go to her channel. I'll link to it below and above in the cards. That way you guys can see what her channel is all about. She does a lot of furniture transformations. She does a lot of DIYs just like I do. And right now she is sharing how to decorate your rental home and give it a ton of style without giving it any permanent changes. And I think those are so much fun to watch. If you're as excited as I am to do another round of the Look for Less challenge, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And for all you YouTubers who wish to participate, here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete this challenge. That means your project and video should be completed by February 21st. That's 2 Thursdays from now. On that day, I will have a playlist so that all you YouTubers who join the challenge will be able to upload your videos. The link to the playlist will be underneath my video that day. Rule number 2, make sure you mention both co-hosts in your video. That will be me, Yami, the Latina next door, and Ashleigh Lauren from Ashleigh Lauren. Also, make sure to link to our channels as well as that playlist link in the description box of your video. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. So, it could be as big as a piece of furniture or as small as a napkin ring. It could be a piece of art or something you put on a table. That one is up to you. All right, rule number 4, and the most important one. We want to see the original expensive piece that you are recreating. We want to see it, and we want to see the one that you did, because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. And that's it, you guys. Just be sure to complete your project again by February 21st. Now make sure you head on over to Ashleigh's channel and let her know that the Latina next door sent you over. If you will be participating this month, please let me know in the comments below. Before I forget, make sure to subscribe so you can continue getting videos like this. I will go ahead and link to a couple more Look for Less videos right over here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, adios. See this? These are circles. Circles. It's not my voice. And look at this. I didn't even have the time or the energy to straighten my hair. I'm showing you all my Shakira. I think it's the meds.